Hello everyone, I'm Alona and today I will tell you how to install and register LPG gas equipment for your car. The first, you can come here if you live in Pattaya. This process takes about 1 working day. This set includes everything and documents too. It costs for Honda HR-V 25,000 baht total. You can check the price of the installation kit for your car in the company. It's not a promotion, it's my experience only. After installing LPG, your car will be feeling like this. Next day, you should get documents for registration LPG. Ask owner of company to prepare documents for your car. I got my documents in 1 day. This is my documents. They will be valid 30 days. Next day, I have to go to register LPG. I arrived at the transportation department in Pattaya. It is located next to the Origins International School. The documents you need: a blue book for the car and copies of the main page of the passport and the page with a visa and documents from LPG installer company. At the transport department, the first I am going to information. There, a clerk checks all documents and you have to go to inspection. After inspection, you'll get documents in Windows 7. After Windows 7, you turn back to information again and get there your appointment number. I was called at Windows 5 in 10 minutes, paid 105 baht in cash, and I got a coupon for a ready blue book with registered LPG. This process took 1 hour after application. I received my ready documents at the same day. Life hack from LPG company style. If you go to install a gas equipment before your car planned inspection, you will save money for extra inspection. I just had a vehicle inspection and had to pay extra for an unscheduled vehicle inspection. And now everything is ready. Drive and save your money with LPG. I hope this information will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Like my video if it was interesting. Subscribe to my channel. We live in Thailand and film about it. We speak Thai and know a lot about this place. There will be many more interesting things about Thailand and life in. Bye, guys.